So one of the reasons that I liked the Yiddish Book Center was that I felt American Jewish society was too fixated on Israel. And I think they defined themselves. Israel was where you needed to be if you wanted to be a Jew. And I never felt that way. I love Israel. I have it resonates with me. I felt when I first started going there more that I belonged there. I feel it less now. But I did feel, and I think this is what I felt when I had this discussion with Aaron, was I felt that the Yiddish Book Center acknowledged the importance of the American Jewish community. Part of that was, most of us, when we came over, we spoke Yiddish. That was our first language. And so I think it's important from that point of view. But I think that what the Yiddish Book Center did for me initially in talking to Aaron was that it jived with what I felt, which was, we're legitimate here. This is a legitimate culture. Being an American Jew is a legitimate culture. It is not less than being an Israeli Jew. And I felt that understanding where we came from and how Yiddish fit into that was part of that. That was the beginning of the American Jewish culture. That's not to say that the German Jews that didn't come over and the Sephardi Jews didn't either, but really the biggest influx was really those Eastern European Jews who came in the late 1880s. So that really was important to me. That was really important to me. And then I guess after that, the oral history and documenting the voices and the stories and the memories. So I really do think for me it was legitimizing the American Jewish community as being viable and just as important as the Israeli Jewish community.